Hey Purple Pizza Eaters, welcome back to Purple Pizza Chronicles, and we are back with another MUKBANG. And today we're having Portillos. All right, so we have cake shake, fries, Italian beef with hot peppers, and the cheddar and beef sandwich on a croissant with sweet peppers. And we have that one. But I think they kind of screwed up a little bit because they were supposed to dip my Italian beef, and my croissant sandwich is dipped. So it's a little messy, it's a little soft, and I'm pretty hungry. So we're just gonna get started. Happy New Year. We made it to 2020. I'm just gonna go for it. I'm pretty hungry. I think I'm gonna start with this one. We didn't really do much for New Year's Eve. I cleaned the house. We got all of our stuff together, cleaned up the house, and then we I'm looking for napkins. And then we just went over to my grandmother's house to hang out with her. And my husband worked, so he had to go to work. And my daughter and I, we just went over to my nana's. That was just about it. You guys know I have a loud refrigerator and I have loud neighbors. So if you hear any walking, barking of dogs or anything like that, totally out of my control. What irritates me the most about restaurants is you order and more than a few items, you know, and those items are like messy items, and they only give you like one pack of silverware with napkins. And I'm like, what about all the napkins? Y'all too cheap to give me napkins? So this year, we don't set New Year's resolutions. We do New Year's goals, which is kind of the same thing as a New Year's resolution. We go and we make vision boards. I have a vision board that I have to finish. And we put all the things that we're trying to accomplish within the year. We set our 1-year goals, our 2-year goals, and our 5-year goals for our family. So we're gonna do that. I know that travel is gonna be on our list of things to do, because there's so many places that we wanna see inside the US and outside the US. Trying to find my straw. You guys know I love shakes. This is a chocolate cake shake. That's thick. You guys just don't know. I've been craving Portillos for 2 weeks. I'm just now getting it. I've never had this one dipped. That's so crazy. The croissant is very soggy. And I don't think I like that too much, but still good. Still very good. Did you guys do anything fun for New Year's Eve? Did you guys go to a party or spend it with your family? Our typical New Year's Eve tradition is usually going to church. We went to church last year, and the year before that, I usually go to church. Italian beef. But they did give us a free chocolate cake, a free piece of chocolate cake. Because we waited for our food for like 15 minutes. And they're like, so thank you so much for your patience. Here's a free chocolate cake. And I'm like, okay. They have one of the best customer service for fast food restaurants. Them and Chick-fil-A have like the best customer service. They're chopping trees down the street. So if you hear like noises of them chopping trees, that's what's going on. Literally very, very hungry. So I'm home alone. My husband, who makes music, is at a studio session, and our daughter is doing like a school camp thing while she's out of school. So they picked her up this morning. She goes to school like normal. They do some like work assignments, and then they're going roller skating. So that's going to be fun for her to do something. It's a part of her school's curriculum. She goes to an amazing school. She goes to a Korean immersion school. So she speaks Korean, and it's great. It's a good school. I'm never gonna take her out of that school. So it's so nice. So yeah, we want to do some more traveling. We want to go and visit my husband's family in Nigeria. That's where my husband's from, and for sure we're gonna put that on our to-do list of places to go. Just excited. And we're gonna go somewhere in February, and I'm gonna pick the place. He's not gonna know. It's gonna be a surprise. I'm gonna bring my camera, and we're gonna vlog all the places that we go when we go to this mysterious destination. He's not gonna have any idea. So I can't wait to do this. It's been a while since we've been somewhere together, like him and I alone, because we're going to LA in June for my daughter. To do her acting stuff out there. This sweater is irritating me. Who else likes to dip their fries in their shake? And that one did not have cheese on it. I used to do it when I was a kid. And it had to be my Frosty. I only did my Frosty, my frying my Frosty. I don't think I like this without it being dipped. It tastes better when it's dipped. That's my noisy refrigerator. It's always making some noise. Hungry. Excuse me. That's like the most chocolatey piece. That was super good. Very good. Sorry guys if my tank top strap was showing. I was trying to fix it. I didn't feel like adjusting it, so if it offended you, I'm sorry. But thank you guys so much for coming back. I know there's a few of you guys who come back consistently, and I appreciate that. I appreciate the subscribers who subscribed from my last video up until now. Thank you guys so much. It means the world to me. I do not take it for granted. I'm trying to get to 100 subscribers at least, if I'm going to keep creating content, guys, because what's the point if I'm not getting the subscribers, you know? So please like, comment, share, subscribe. Let everyone know what I'm doing on my channel. I am a eater, mukbanger, storyteller. I concentrate on just giving you guys eating videos with minimal talking. So if you are looking for me to talk more, let me know. Come, you know, do some Q&A with me if you have questions about me, my life, my family. Let me know. Drop them in the comments. Send me an email if you guys want me to talk a little bit more. But mainly, this is a channel for mukbanging, eating, and minimal talking. I do some story times. I have some videos coming out that I will be talking a little bit more, giving you guys more stories about, you know, my life and past experiences and whatnot. But yes, thank you guys so much. And until next time, my purple pizza eaters, peace.